Alright, yes, if you have been following all my previous videos, yes, I'm this person who love doing hairstyles that are very simple to maintain. And yes, I realized that whenever we do short pieces, yes, it comes out very nicely, but I came to find out that most of our clients, sometimes they don't know how to take care of them. So I kept on creating very simple hairstyles, like to see that if we can do something that is very like is stress free. Someone just wake up and you have to go, no need of combing or doing something else. Yes, and that's when I decided to do the bricklaying. It was also very perfect. People loved it, and I've been seeing a lot of people doing this kind of hairstyles, so it is so interesting. And then that's when I realized that we need to create more hairstyles like these. And in this video that I'm going to do here, it is also a creativity that you will also love to do. All right, yes, my name is Maurice, the crochet master. I love you so much. And yes, please, if it's your first time to be on this channel, I would love you to give me a like. If possible, you can share the video, or just go right in my comment section, tell me where you're watching me from, or you can always leave a comment concerning with the hairstyle that we have done, asking. I will be there to answer you. So now let's continue with this. And I've been telling you that it is very easy to create these simple hairstyles, as long as you just think of something that can always be stress-free, something that can be easy to maintain, protective. Yes, you can always think of short hairstyles, but in those ones we need to think of hairstyles that don't need to be combing, or no like styling all the time. Or we have people who are very lazy when it comes to hairstyle, so we always want to choose something that at least it is going to favor them. So now this hairstyle, I realized that a lot of people don't know how to maintain the short hair, and yet they would love to do them. So I tried to combine the two hair extensions as you're going to be seeing this video, so that you can see what is going to come out. One, the way we always do our cornrows is by inside and not inside cornrows. This is how we always do them. Yes, our cornrow is different from other cornrows that we always do, that you've been seeing, like, trust me. So we always do it from inside because we believe that this one lasts longer than other cornrows. Yes, it lasts longer according to my research. So after doing this, we are going to be adding our extension, as you're going to be seeing.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. That like Tetris, you don't know me. That my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, no they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. That's cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. That's cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. Made a wish, now I'm here now. It's for real now. I got everything I wanted and it's jumping like for real now. Out the mud, just a
All right, so when everything is done, we just crochet, and this is the soft kinky that I used, like mostly on the sides. Then on top here, I'm going to use the Havana curls. Those also know them. Yeah, the Havana curls. And if you have any crochet that you know it is very nice, it doesn't tangle at all, you can also use it. So I'm just adding it here on top as I'm doing it this way. Yes, this is how it looks. Trust me, it is very nice. So you just do it according to how you feel. I told you that when it comes to maybe like trimming hair or trimming the short pieces, it is very hard for me to teach you guys, because this comes from your creativity, like what you think, it is what you do. So you just create it as you're thinking. You understand? So you need, yeah, there's no any way I can teach you on how I feel. Like me, I'm just doing according to my imagination, that I know how it is going to come out. Even my client doesn't know how it is going to come out. So it is just, she gave me the trust that yes, you just do something that is simple and short, and this is what I chose to do for her. So let's see how it's going to be.
Going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. That's 'cause he could go and top. You not really top. You keep saying top. Well, I guess.
All right, so now here when we're done, we make sure that it is all fine, it is all full packed. So now we're going to do the trimming, and the trimming, this is how we always do it. This is the same thing that I was trying to explain to you, that is now very hard for me, like to do, to tell you that maybe you have to trim it this way and this way. It is just how you feel, what you want to do, and what do you think, how will it come out. So it is what I'm thinking right now. But now let's try to see like what can come out from my imagination, and then you will just go in my comment section, tell me what you think about this hairstyle, or can it work for you, or is it okay when it is done in your hair. Though I would make something like it's a note, that to those ones with short foreheads, if you know that you have a short forehead, and I've been telling you this, most of my videos I've been telling you this, if you know that you have short forehead, this hairstyle might not be very okay for you. Sorry. Yes, so it just needs those ones with long foreheads, that the one that can achieve this very, very nicely. So if you see it on someone and you feel like you love it, then you want to do it, please make sure that your forehead at least is also long. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and please don't forget to click on the red button, click on the subscribe, and if you have any question that you need to ask, just go right there in my comment section, tell me what you feel about this hair, and I'll be there to answer you. Don't forget to like the video. Bye bye, see you in my other next video.